welcome to the House of R. Today I'm going to open this Hot Wheels 5-pack, Fast and Furious. Now look at that, Aston Martin. I got Mustang, Toyota, Dodge. Let's open it up, spin them on the table. And let's start off with the Aston Martin. And that's a 63 DB5. Look at that. Fast and Furious. Alright, I got this little gem. Got this on the main lines too. The only difference I could find is a lighter grey color on the interior. That's about it. Same tires, same color, same tooling. But very cool. James Bond. Alright, and we got the 70 Chevelle SS. And if you think you've seen that before, I have another one. Difference here is the rims. This one got some chrome in the rims, and the new one got grey rims. Cool. Beautiful car. Alright, next up. That is the 67 Custom Mustang. And I have one of these already too, but different rims. Different rims, different car. Not exactly, but close enough. Still a very cool car. I think I like these rims better than the old one. Actually. Alright. Next one. This one I don't have. So this is the first. And that's a Toyota Supra, of course. In orange. Cool graphics on the side. Painted headlights. It's cool. Black interior. Alright. Number 5. Last of the day. That is the 70 Dodge Charger RT. Blown engine there. A lot of chrome interior. In the rims, front, back, and engine. And on black. Didn't want to stay. That is so cool. Alright, I'm gonna photoshoot this into my garage, so stick around for that, play some music. And please, if you haven't, subscribe, put a thumbs up if you like this video, and hit notification bell so you get a warning each time I open some Hot Wheels. And I see you later.
stars out, no doubt I'm loving this time of year. Someone's got a guitar out, whoa now, this is getting kinda weird. It's like a scene from a picture frame. Girl, I swear it would be the same if you were here. It was a night like this, summer around a Saturday, moonshine, good times, hanging off the tailgate, all our friends. But it was just you and me laughing, honey, just the way it ought to be. A moment I know I won't forget, yeah. 'Cause baby, I'm right back in that kiss on a night like this. On a night like this. I remember that leaning feeling nearly took my breath away. Darling, they were so perfect. Your lips made me really wanna stay. Right there with you, just letting go. 'Cause down in that bonfire's yellow glow, we were the flame. It was a night like this, summer around a Saturday, moonshine, good times, hanging off the tailgate, all our friends. But it was just you and me laughing, honey, just the way it ought to be. A moment I know I won't forget, yeah. 'Cause baby, I'm right back in that kiss on a night like this. Do I ever run across your mind on a night like this? 'Cause I think about it all the time on a night like this. Summer around a Saturday, moonshine, good times, hanging off a tailgate, all our friends. But it was just you and me laughing, honey, just the way it ought to be. A moment I know I won't forget, yeah. 'Cause baby, I'm right back in that kiss on a night like this. Summer around a Saturday, moonshine, good times, hanging off a tailgate, all our friends. But it was just you and me laughing, honey, just the way it ought to be. A moment I know I won't forget, yeah. 'Cause baby, I'm right back in that kiss on a night like this. On a night like this.
The only bar that she loves sells sushi. The only paisley that she owns is on a Gucci bag. The only chords that she rocks is Michael. Lord, she gon' need some help. Time to open up the Bible. Ain't no need to be all afraid now, honey. I'm gon' show you how we do out in the country. I'm gon' bring you back to life, take you on a Sunday drive in your white Rover, get some mud all over them tires, sipping moonshine, reminiscing about them